Yeah, welcome again to my PHP tutorial, and I want to make sure that you create your new login.php file in which we'll do our scripting. So first go and get your PHP tags, and between this I'm gonna declare two variables. That's username, post username, and password post password, and the third one is login. That's $_ get login, and if the login is yes, then we'll call the function. Then the function is, first we'll create a variable that's connection, and we will connect to our MySQL server. That's localhost, that's the server name. Your username goes here, mine is default root, and password goes here this way. I have no password assigned to my database, so I'm gonna leave it blank. Now another thing, connect to your database. And what's the database name? We have given the name login. Alright, now I'm gonna create new variable get. That's a MySQL query, and we'll select count IT, and from the table login, where the user is the username and pass is the password. Alright, now we'll declare another variable, that's result, and that will be MySQL underscore result. And please note that you end up with the double quotes here in MySQL result, and the result is get 0. Now if result is not equal to 1, then echo invalid login. Echo login successful, session username is equal to your username. Now we want to set cookies in this program, so I'm gonna just go here top and I'm gonna set the cookie, set cookie, and we'll name this cookie username, and its value is what the user will input, its username, and the time is plus 86 400, that's 1 day. Now I'm gonna go here, login successful, we'll come back, cookie username, save this error and refresh. Right, username, HD password, login. I think login successful. Welcome back HD. And if you enter tutorial by go. Pass invalid login. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel.